In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put TradingView on dark mode. If you spend a lot of time analyzing charts or working late into the evening, switching to dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain and create a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can easily make this adjustment and enjoy a more ergonomic setup. First, you'll need to head over to your chart on TradingView, which is typically where you spend most of your time organizing and assessing data. Now, take a glance at the top left corner of your chart. You'll notice a profile menu icon over there. This is going to be your primary gateway to many customizable features on TradingView, including the one we're tackling today. Once you've clicked the profile menu, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is intuitively designed to help you navigate through various settings and modes that TradingView offers. Here, you're going to look for the Dark Mode slider. This feature allows users to seamlessly shift their interface to a darker theme. As you find the Dark Mode slider, the next step is straightforward. Simply toggle the slider on. Doing this is not only quick but also efficient, as it applies the dark theme immediately. This means you'll notice the change in the interface instantaneously. Your charts and surrounding interface elements will shift to a darker color scheme, providing a more aesthetically pleasing and comfortable visual experience, especially during those late-night trading sessions or extended hours of viewing. Switching to dark mode can be incredibly beneficial. Besides the reduction of eye strain, it also enhances focus by minimizing glare from the screen, which is a common distraction in brighter interfaces. For many, the dark theme can even extend the battery life of your devices that feature OLED screens, perfect for traders who are on the move. If you ever need to revert back to the standard light mode, you can follow these exact steps and simply toggle the slider off. TradingView's settings are designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can switch between modes depending on your preference or environmental lighting conditions. I hope this guide has been easy to follow and that you're now enjoying the sleek look of dark mode on TradingView. It's a small change that can make a huge difference in how you interact with your charts and plans. Thank you for tuning in,